do the boat first.
Right.
That's Blackbeard's boat.
Yeah.
No need to get another paper. No, that's someone's little boat.
Yeah. Good
Lots
boat.
of rowers.
Let's get one. That's the rowers. Brilliant.
And
Yeah.
a big ship. A Blackbeard ship.
Wow.
They've got lots of sails.
Yeah.
Some at the front,
Mm-hmm.
some here, some here, some here.
Wow.
So that's big Blackbeard ship, and this is a treasure map. Treasure's not in here. Has to go. A treasure's not in this place. It has to go right down here. There's the den.
Right.
So I have to draw a bit of more entrance to get to a treasure.
Yeah. Wow.
Because here, what happens? A treasure's not in this place because you go round here.
Yeah.
A treasure's not in this place because you. A treasure's not in this place because you go round here.
Yeah.
A treasure's not in this place. A treasure's not in this place because we go back down here. And then a treasure's not in this place because now my finger's pointed. So I do this.
Yeah.
Holes.
What do you do, Els?
So it goes around here, so we haven't got more path. So treasure. Little house. Little house. Yeah. So look, we go around here, go around here, go around here, and we go around here,
Mm-hmm.
and we go around here
Mm-hmm.
to the treasure. And there's not a treasure here.
Well, where is the treasure?
So I'll tell you where the treasure is. And someone's gonna find a treasure. Someone's on the yard. We have to go round here, round here, and down these bits. It's tricky when we do this because we can't see when we're doing this because we can't see it. Little Blackbeard's eye. And you've got a here.
Wow, look at that, Dills.
And a
Who's that?
Blackbeard. And he's got a sword.
Right. What does he look like?
So the treasure is in this little place. So I have to walk around here, around here, around here, around here, do. And then we come in this bit. That's the treasure. So this is more here a bit more. So Mummy. So I've done this bit. So we haven't done any. That's a map where we go, and I can't do any more. So we have to turn it. We need to get another piece.